Hey guys, it's Monday and it's another day, another vlog. So, as what you have noticed guys, andito na ako sa workplace ko, and for today's agenda, we will just have to encode all the sales, and aside from that guys, we'll also check our passbook kung pumasok ba lahat ng sales, and that would be my agenda for today guys. So, anyway guys, dyan lang muna kayo at mag-work lang din muna ako.
Solar.
So, anyway guys, wala naman tayong ibang ganap today. So, samahan niyo lang ako mamaya guys na mag-unboxing ng parcel ko. So, sobrang excited ako guys kasi nga ito talaga yung pinakahihintay kong parcel. So, anyway guys, as what you have noticed, andito na ako sa bahay. So, samahan niyo ako guys na i-unbox yung parcel ko. So, let's go guys! So, anyway guys, we got our new map. So, sobrang excited akong gamitin to guys. And sobrang sulit na din kasi nga affordable siya and sobrang ganda ng quality. So, anyway guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys!